Hi, this is Andrew Grace at Quality Equipment and Spray, QSpray.com. Today I'm talking about an interesting product. It's called the Flex ICU FLashlight, and it's a flashlight on a holder that slides onto your B&G Wand. It's very simple to use. It takes one AA battery. Actually, it comes with two AA batteries in the box. And all you do is snap this onto your B&G, and then you just turn the light on. I don't know how that's going to show up on the video. And that way you can see while you're spraying. If you're spraying behind a counter, under a cabinet, behind any type of equipment in a restaurant, you can see everything you're spraying. No more spraying blind. It's a great tool. The flashlight actually comes out of this holder. It's got a clip on it, although I don't recommend doing that. I recommend just keeping that, using a separate flashlight for inspections. And you do have to take it off to store the wand in the B&G. But the Flex ICU Pest Control Flashlight for your B&G is a cool addition to your B&G sprayer. Check it out at QSpray.com. Thanks for watching.